back to the video, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Facebook app. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the top. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then click on account center. Then next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on password and security. The next thing you need to do is to go to two-factor authentication. Select your Facebook account. Then right here you have three options for your two-factor authentication. So recommended authentication app. But if you don't know how to set up on that for your account security, it is advisable you make use of WhatsApp code. So select on WhatsApp. Next thing we want to do is to click on next right here. Then right here you have to select a number or add a new number. So I'm going to use the default number right here and I'll click on next. Then a code has been sent. I will copy the code. I will click on here and then make sure I enter the code. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll be asked to enter login password. I'm going to simply click on here now and enter my login password. Then I'm going to straight up and enter the login password. Then I'll click on continue. So after a successful login back, the next thing you need to do is to click on here again and then make sure you click on setting icon. Then click on account center. Then go back to password and security. Then go back to two-factor authentication. Then select your Facebook account. Then just like what you see now, you are getting login code via your SMS WhatsApp with the number you provided. It's that simple. So with that, no one will be able to hack your Facebook account and your account will be more secure. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.